Hello students. English shorthand 60 words per minute ready for dictation. Obviously, the retailer wishes to make the largest possible income from his business. In order to this, he should study the market for the goods he has to sell, estimating the probable quantities which may be sold at different prices. Then he should estimate his selling costs for these quantities, some of which will be fixed while others will vary with amount of business done, and he should finally decide which combination of sale and cost would give him the widest gross margin. He should take into consideration the competition from other retailers and should not charge for his goods prices that would send his customers to a rival shop. If he is thinking of altering his selling prices either up or down, he must consider what the effect of this will be, not only on the goods which are to be the subject of the change, but also on the other goods which he sells. A price reduction may cause other retailers to compete. From time to time, he should inspect his stock and mark down in price goods which do not sell quickly. It is very difficult to find out the extent of the difference in price which will cause customer to be transferred from one shop to another. Some customers are quick to take advantage of any such difference. Others just do not bother much or have not the time to make the necessary comparisons. Thank you, students.